AJ of EverythingAJ's, and I wanted to take a minute and show you what I've got for options on crystals. So this is what we call a SeaSnail. You can obviously see why. It's got that beautiful curl to it. The hole is here at the top, and so when I'm hanging it, it'll actually hang at the base of that, whichever one I pick. So that's a beautiful one right there. And then here's another one. This is my heart. It's a hanging heart or a weeping heart. Some people would call it that. The teardrop heart. It's two-sided, so you can see that this side has that color embedded onto it, so that when you turn it around, you can see that beautiful shine and that color. So these are all the Aurora Borealis version. That's why they're so colorful and beautiful. Now, this one here is the sea star, because it's not a perfect star shape. It is a little bit shaped differently, so it's more like a starfish. Also two-sided. See, that's just absolutely beautiful. So these are my options that I have, and all four of these I do sell on my Etsy website. And here's the two-sided to that. I don't think I actually spun it, so that you can see all sides. Okay, these are my favorite crystals. I absolutely love the Aurora Borealis version of them. They're a Swarovski brand. They're just a top-notch, high-quality cut and will shine in any light. Like inside, this is just on my, I have like an office light, magnifying light here. So I don't even have the sunshine shining in, and you can see how sparkly.